So hello students, in our previous class, we discussed about how to find the equation of the sphere through the given circle and of course passing through the point. So that is we have discussed in our previous class. So today I'm going to discuss one more concept. So before going to that concept, so we have to write that note point, one note point, that is note the equation of the tangent plane, the equation of the tangent plane at the point x1 comma y1 comma z1, x1 comma y1 comma z1 on the sphere s is equal to 0. We are naming the sphere equation as s is s1 is equal to 0. So the equation of tangent plane, it means whenever we are having a sphere equation, if you want to find the tangent plane for the sphere equation at a point x1 y1 z1, then the formula for finding the tangent plane is s1 is equal to 0. So here s1 is nothing but, if we are having a sphere equation is of the form x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus t is equal to 0, then s1 is nothing but xx1 plus yy1 plus zz1 plus 2ux. You can write 2ux as, if you take a u common, we get u of x plus x1 plus v of y plus y1 plus w of z plus z1 plus d is equal to 0, that is s1. Okay, so while discussing problems, we will explain once again what is s1. Okay, so the formula to find the tangent plane for the sphere equation is s1 is equal to 0. Okay, right. So we have already discussed that the plane section of a sphere, it means whenever a sphere and a plane intersects, then we get a circle. That is what we have already discussed in our previous classes. Now I am going to discuss intersection of sphere and line. Intersection of sphere and line. Right. So how can we find the intersection of a sphere and a line? So straight away I am going to explain one problem, so that find the point of intersection of the line x plus 3 by 4 is equal to y plus 4 by 3 is equal to z minus 8 by minus 5. So this is the line equation with the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 10y is equal to 23. So we have to find the point of intersection of line and the sphere. So whenever sphere and line intersect each other, so then definitely there is a point of intersection. So we have to find that particular point. Okay, right. So coming to the solution, given sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 10y minus 23 is equal to 0. So treat this as equation number 1. And also we have the line equation, and the line is x plus 3 by 4 is equal to y plus 4 by 3 is equal to z minus 8 by minus 5. So this is the given line equation. And if you want to write any point on this line equation, so we have to write this line equal to small r. Say, by equating this line equation is equal to small r, we can write any point on that line. Okay, so therefore I am writing any point. Therefore, any point on the line treat this as equation 2 on the line 2 is how can we get any point on the line? So by equating the x plus 3 by 4 is equal to r, y plus 4 by 3 is equal to r, and z minus 8 by 5 minus 5, z minus 8 by minus 5 is equal to r. So by equating is equal to small r, we get any point on the line. So this implies we get x plus 3 is equal to 4r and x is equal to 4r minus 3. And from this, y plus 4 is equal to 3r and y is equal to 3r minus 4. And from this, z minus 8 is equal to minus 5r and z is equal to 8 minus 5r. Okay, so therefore I am writing any point, that is therefore p is equal to 4r minus 3, 3r minus 4 and 8 minus 5r. Since we want to find the point of intersection of both the line and the sphere, so now I have find any point on the line. Okay, so if this point lies on the sphere, since we have to find the intersection point of both the line and the sphere, so now I have finded the any point on the line. If this point lies on the sphere, so then we get the point of intersection. Okay, so if this point, I'm writing that if P lies on the sphere, if P lies on the sphere, then we get, it means we have to substitute this particular point in the given sphere equation. So a sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 10y minus 23 is equal to 0. So we have to substitute this particular point P in the sphere equation, x square. So here x square is nothing but 4r minus 3 whole square plus y square, that is 3r minus 4 whole square plus z square 8 minus 5r whole square plus 2x plus 2 into x is nothing but 4r minus 3 minus 10y minus 10 into y is nothing but 3r minus 4. So next minus 23 is equal to 0. So now we have to simplify this particular equation, then we get the value of r. After getting the r value, then definitely we can write the point of intersection of both the line and the sphere. Okay, right. So now I am expanding this term 4r minus 3 whole square. So we get 16r square plus 9 minus 24r. Similarly, 9r square plus 16, 2, 3, 6, 6, 4 is 24 minus 24r. And once again, 8 minus 5r whole square can be expanded as 8, 8 is 64 plus 25r square. So minus 80r plus 2 4s are 8r minus 6 minus 30r plus 40 minus 23 is equal to 0. So first we have to write the r terms. So 16 plus 9, that is 25r square plus 25r square, we get 50r square. After that we have to write r terms, minus 24 minus 24 minus 48. So minus 48 minus 80 minus 128 minus 128 plus 8 minus 120 minus 120 minus 30 minus 90. So minus 90 r. Coming to the constants, 9 plus 16, 25. 25 plus 64 is 89. 89 minus 6, 83. 83 plus 20, 123. 123 minus 23, 100 plus 100 is equal to 0. If you cancel 10 from this equation, we get 5r square minus 9r plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so here we are getting a quadratic equation in r. 5r square, 1 minute, minus 24 minus 24 minus 48 minus 128, so minus 158. Oh, sorry, minus 150r. This is minus 150 ma. So this is not 90. So once again, we have to calculate yourself. So we get 50r square minus 150r plus 100. Okay. So if we cancel 10 from this equation, we get 5r minus 15. So this is 15r plus 10. So once again, if you cancel 5 from this equation, we get r square minus 3r plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in r. So here we are having the factors. So I am writing r square. So minus 3r can be written as minus 2r minus r plus 2 is equal to 0. Why? Because if you multiply the first and last terms, we get 2r square. Okay. So the factors for 2 is minus 2 minus 1. If you multiply minus 2 into minus 1, we get 2. And if you add minus 2 minus 1, we get minus 3. So that we have to write minus 3 as minus 2 minus 2. Okay. Right. If you take r common from the first two terms, we get r minus 2. And if you take minus 1 common from the next two terms, we get r minus 2. And finally, if we take r minus 2 common, we get r minus 1 is equal to 0. It means we get finally r is equal to 1 comma 2. Here we get two values for r. Why? Because so whenever a sphere intersects with a line, definitely then we get 2 points. Okay. So suppose this is a line equation, intersects the sphere, definitely that line intersects sphere at 2 points. Okay. It means so the point of intersection of sphere and the line should be at 2 points. Okay. It intersects, line intersects sphere at 2 points. So whenever we get r two values for r, so then we get 2 points. Okay. So the first point is, therefore, when r is equal to 1, p is equal to. So we have to substitute in p. Once again, I am writing the point p. So p is nothing but 4r minus 3, 3r minus 4, and minus 5r plus 8. Minus 5r plus 8. So we have to substitute in this particular point. We get 4 into 1, 4 into 1, 4 minus 3, that is 1. 3 into 1 minus 4, that is minus 1. And minus 5 plus 8, that is 3. So the first point is 1 comma minus 1 comma 3. And when r is equal to 2, we get p is equal to. So now we have to substitute 2 in place of r. 8 minus 3, that is 5. 3 2s are 6 minus 4, that is 2. And minus 10 plus 8, that is minus 2. So therefore, what I can write is points of intersection. So points of intersection of the given line and sphere. Given line and sphere are. So we are having 2 points. One is 1 comma minus 1 comma 3, and the second one is 5 comma 2 comma minus 2. So once again, so what we have to do in this particular problem is we have to find the point of intersection of line and sphere. Here I have written a rough sketch. Whenever a line and a sphere intersects, then definitely we are having 2 points of intersection. Okay, that's why here we get 2 points. Okay, ma? Right. So how can we find those 2 points is, so first of all, we have to write any point on the given line. Any point on the given line by supposing the line equation equal to small r. So whenever you equate it to smaller, then we get any point on the line. And I am treating that point as p. Okay. So if you observe the diagram clearly, so if you treat this as a point p, clearly that point P lies on the sphere. Okay, so that I am writing if P lies on the sphere, then we have to substitute that particular point P in the sphere equation. So then we get the values of R. Here we get two values for R. Why? Because since we are having two intersecting points, so that we get two values for R. So whenever we substituted those two values in the point P, so then we get 2 points of intersection, and these are the points of intersection of both the line and the sphere. In this way, we can find the point of intersection of line and the sphere. Okay, okay, right. So I am giving you one more problem. So we have to do this particular problem. Same model. Find the points of intersection of the line x minus 8/4 is equal to y/1 is equal to z minus 1/-1, and the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y minus 2z plus 5 is equal to 0. So once again, we have given a line equation and a sphere equation. We have to find the points of intersection of both those line and the sphere. The same way, whatever we have done in the above problem, so the same should be done for this problem also. Okay, ma? First we have to write any point on the line and we have to name it as P. So after that, we have to substitute that particular point P in the given sphere equation. Then we get the values of R. And if you substitute those R values in the point P, then we get the points of intersection. Okay, so solve this problem. Okay, right. After that, so just now we discussed about the tangent plane. How to find the tangent plane for the sphere equation passing through a point. Okay, so here I have already written note point, that is the equation of the tangent plane at the point on the sphere is S1 is equal to 0. So based on that note point, I am going to do one more problem. So that is find the equation of the tangent plane to the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0 at the point minus 1 comma 4 comma minus 2. So we have to find the tangent plane to the sphere equation at the point. Okay, right. So coming to the solution. So given sphere equation is, I am naming it as S, and that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. And also we have given a point, and the given point is minus 1 comma 4 comma minus 2. Okay, so now I am writing straight away, I am writing the formula for the equation of tangent plane. Equation of the tangent plane, so you have to name this point as P. At a point P, with respect to sphere equation S is equal to 0 is S1 is equal to 0. Here S1 is nothing but, now I am writing S1. So since we are having S is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, from that equation we have to write S1. Here S1 is nothing but, since we are having x square, we have to write x square as x into x. And similarly y square as y into y. And z square as z into z. And minus 2x can be written as minus of x plus x. And minus 4y can be written as minus 2 into y plus y. and finally 2z can be written as plus z plus z, and minus 3 is equal to 0. So first of all, we have to write the given equation in this way. Okay, x square can be written as x into x, y square can be written as y into y, z square can be written as z into z. And since we are having the coefficient of x as minus 2, so that we can write minus of x plus x. Minus of x plus x is nothing but minus 2x. Similarly, minus 4y can be written as minus 2 into y plus y. So this is y ma, not y1. First we have to write y itself. So minus of minus 2 into y plus y, that is minus 4y. And minus plus 2z can be written as plus of z plus z. Okay. So after writing this step, now we have to write x1. We have to write 1 in the suffix of x. Okay. So that I am writing, since we are having x into x, we have to write x1 in 1x. Similarly, y1 in 1y, and z1, and also x plus x1, y plus y1, and z plus z1. So this is nothing but s1 is equal to 0. So first we have to split the given equation. After that, we have to write suffix 1. Okay, right? This is nothing but x1. So after writing s1 is equal to 0, now we have to substitute the given point p in place of x1, y1, z1. Okay, so therefore x into x1 is nothing but minus 1, plus y into y1 is nothing but 4, plus z into z1 is nothing but minus 2, minus of x plus x1. X1 is minus 1, so that we have to write x minus 1, minus 2 into y plus y1 is 4, plus z plus z1 is minus 2, and minus 3 is equal to 0. So finally we get minus x plus 4y minus 2z, minus x plus 1, minus 2y minus 8, plus z minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. On simplification, finally we get minus 2x and y terms plus 2y minus z, and coming to the constants, we are having 1, minus 8, minus 7, minus 9, and minus 12. So minus 12 is equal to 0. If we cancel minus from this equation, we get 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the plane equation. So this is the plane equation. Of course, this is the tangent plane equation corresponding to the given sphere. So is the required tangent plane Okay, in this way we can find the equation of the tangent plane. So one more problem I am giving you to solve. So find the equation of the tangent plane. Find the equation of the tangent plane to the sphere. Sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus 8y minus 4z plus 2 is equal to 0 yet 2 comma 1 comma 3. So once again we have to treat the given point as x1 y1 z1, and the formula for the equation of tangent plane is nothing but s1 is equal to 0. So while writing s1 from the given sphere equation, we have to write x square by x into x, y square by y into y, z square by z into z. After writing those values, we have to substitute suffix 1. In x into x, we have to write suffix 1 in 1x. That is xx1 plus yy1 plus zz1. And coming to the coefficient of x, we are having minus 6x. That can be written as, so minus 3x is nothing but minus 6x. So we have to take minus 3 common, so that we get minus 3 of x plus x1. Similarly, 8y can be written as plus 4 into y plus y1. And minus 4z can be written as minus 2 into z plus z1. That is s1. After writing s1, we have to substitute the point 2 comma 1 comma 3 in place of x1 y1 z1. Then we get the required tangent plane for the given sphere equation. Okay, so in this way we can find the tangent plane. So today we have discussed 2 points. One is, so the intersection of sphere and the line, and the second point is how to find the tangent plane corresponding to the given sphere equation at the point. Okay, Right. Thank you.